Imagine a world where the impossible becomes reality, where humanity's reach extends beyond the stars, and where the dreams of today become the realities of tomorrow. This isn't just a glimpse into science fiction, but a journey we have already begun, leading us to the year 2300. Welcome to a world where the boundaries of science fiction blur into reality, where humanity not only thrives on Earth, but reaches out to the stars. We are about to embark on an inspiring journey through the key technological advancements that will shape humanity's future, propel us into interstellar travel, and foster a possible coexistence with new life. Our purpose is to inspire you to envision and work towards a future brimming with groundbreaking advancements that will shape our future and redefine what it means to be human. Look ahead through the next 275 years. What will you see? Scientists believe that by 2050, we will have fusion power, giving us unlimited clean energy. Quantum computers will help us solve problems faster than ever, making medicines and technology even more limitless. Get ready. Let's make the impossible possible. The dawn of the technological renaissance. We have already begun an incredible leap into the future. 3 revolutions will begin simultaneously between the years 2025 and 2050, where unrecognizable advancements will change our world in ways we can barely imagine. Revolution 1. Quantum computing. Quantum computers will be game changers, solving the most difficult problems in seconds that would take regular computers millions of years. IBM and Google are pouring billions into quantum research. IBM's quantum computer achieved quantum supremacy in 2019, showing how powerful these machines can be. This will help us discover new medicines faster and keep our data secure with quantum encryption. By 2050, quantum computers will be integrated into everyday devices, making advanced problem-solving and ultra-secure communication accessible to everyone, transforming industries from healthcare to finance. Revolution 2. Sustainable energy. We are on the brink of a clean energy revolution. By the 2030s, ITER, the world's largest fusion experiment, is expected to produce more energy than it uses. Fusion is the holy grail of clean energy because it promises unlimited power with no pollution. Solar panels will dramatically improve, reaching over 30% efficiency by 2050. Wind turbines will supply over 20% of the world's electricity. By 2050, advanced energy storage technologies such as next-generation batteries and hydrogen storage systems will enable the efficient storage and distribution of renewable energy, ensuring a stable and reliable power supply worldwide. Revolution 3. Advanced AI and robotics. Artificial intelligence will be everywhere, making life easier and better. By 2030, AI could add $15.7 trillion to the global economy. AI-driven healthcare will lower treatment costs by up to 50%. Surgical robots will become more common, helping doctors perform precise operations. In agriculture, robots will increase crop yields by up to 30%, ensuring we have enough food globally. By 2050, autonomous AI systems will manage entire cities, optimizing traffic, energy use, and public services to create smarter, more efficient, and sustainable urban environments. The revolution phase is just the beginning. The age of biotechnology and human enhancement. As the clock ticks through time, we now enter an era where biotechnology transforms us into superhumans, extending our lives and sharpening our minds. Genetic engineering and CRISPR. Imagine a world free of genetic diseases. By the 2060s, thanks to CRISPR, this dream becomes reality. CRISPR has the potential to eliminate over 89% of known genetic diseases. Diseases like sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis will be cured, but it doesn't stop there. By 2100, lifespans could exceed 120 years. Picture yourself running faster, thinking clearer, and staying healthier with genetic enhancements. By the 2090s, genetic modifications will allow humans to adapt to different environments, possibly enabling us to live in extreme conditions, from deep underwater to outer space. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. By the 2070s, controlling computers and devices with your mind becomes routine. team. Thanks to advancements in BCIs, Elon Musk's Neuralink demonstrated this potential in 2020. These interfaces will not only allow us to control prosthetics seamlessly, but also boost our brain power, enhancing memory and learning. Imagine the power to keep your mind sharp, even combating Alzheimer's disease. As we approach the 2100s, BCIs will enable direct brain-to-brain communication, allowing thoughts, knowledge, and emotions to be shared instantly, revolutionizing human interaction and collaboration. Regenerative medicine. By 2050, imagine needing a new organ and getting one grown just for you. By 2050, we expect to have fully functional lab-grown organs ready for transplantation. This innovation will save countless lives and reduce waiting lists. By 2070, prosthetics will evolve, providing sensory feedback and superhuman abilities through cybernetic limbs. As the next millennium approaches, advanced regenerative techniques will enable the repair and rejuvenation of entire body systems, effectively reversing aging and allowing for near-immortal health. The future of biotechnology promises a life that is healthier, longer, and more extraordinary. The era of space exploration and colonization. We are headed towards new ways to travel between stars and living on other planets. This future is inevitable. Interstellar propulsion technologies. By the early 2100s, breakthroughs in propulsion technology will revolutionize space travel. Early 2100s, NASA's Breakthrough Propulsion Physics project will pioneer the development of warp drives and antimatter engines. These incredible advancements will reduce travel times dramatically. Journeys to the Moon, once a 3-day trip, will take mere hours. Mars, a 6-month voyage today, will be reachable within days. Mid-2100s. As these technologies mature, we will venture beyond our solar system. Antimatter engines will allow us to reach the nearest star systems within a human lifetime. What once took centuries will now take decades. Imagine exploring Proxima Centauri over 4 light-years away within a single generation. Late 2100s. Warp drives will push the boundaries even further. Faster than light travel will become a reality, opening the galaxy to human exploration. We will chart new worlds, discovering planets teeming with life and resources. The vast distances of space will no longer be a barrier, but a bridge to new frontiers. End of the century. As we approach 2200, the dream of interstellar colonization will come to fruition. Human settlements on exoplanets will thrive, creating a network of civilizations across the galaxy. Our species will not just explore, but inhabit multiple star systems, ensuring the survival and growth of humanity among the stars. The era of interstellar propulsion will transform our existence, making the impossible possible and turning the universe into our playground. Lunar and Martian colonies. Humanity now extends its reach beyond Earth, forging new homes among the stars. By the early 2100s, living on the Moon and Mars will be our new reality. Early 2100s, NASA's Artemis program and SpaceX established thriving sustainable colonies on the Moon and Mars. Travel times to Mars will be reduced to mere weeks. These colonies will be self-sufficient, with habitats that provide all necessities: air, water, and food. We will grow crops in Martian soil and mine lunar resources to support our settlements. Mid-late 2100s, as these colonies grow, humanity will begin to terraform Mars. Using solar mirrors and greenhouse gases, we will start warming the Martian surface, making it more Earth-like. These efforts will create habitable zones where humans can live without spacesuits. By the 2150s, we will have cities on Mars with bustling communities, schools, and businesses. These colonies will serve as launch points for deeper space exploration. Late 2100s. By the late 2100s, humans will have evolved to adapt to life on these new worlds. Enhanced by genetic engineering and biotechnology, we will be stronger, more resilient, and able to withstand the harsh conditions of space. These adaptations will allow us to explore and colonize even further, reaching the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Traveling to these distant worlds, which once took years, will now take only months. End of the century. Approaching 2200, humanity will look beyond our solar system. The Moon and Mars will be thriving centers of culture and innovation, connected by regular space flights. Our colonies will collaborate on interstellar missions, sending humans to the nearest star systems. By this time, humans will have evolved into a spacefaring exploring species capable of adapting to and thriving in diverse environments across the galaxy. The era of lunar and Martian colonies will mark the beginning of humanity's expansion into the cosmos. We will build new societies, forge new cultures, and ensure the survival and growth of our species among the stars. The future is not just about exploring space, but making it our home. Asteroid mining. Prepare to witness a cosmic gold rush as humanity taps into the wealth of the stars. By the early 2100s, asteroid mining will revolutionize our economy and space exploration. Early-late 2100s. As the century begins, companies like Planetary Resources will have perfected the technology to mine asteroids, unlocking trillions of dollars in precious metals and minerals. These floating treasure troves will provide an abundance of resources, alleviating shortages on Earth and fueling further space ventures. The extraction of rare materials like platinum, gold, and rare earth elements will spur technological advancements and economic growth. Mid-late 2100s. By the 2150s, asteroid mining operations will expand dramatically. Autonomous drones and robots will efficiently harvest resources from these space rocks, creating a new space-based economy. The wealth generated will fund the construction of massive space habitats and fuel further exploration. Mining asteroids will provide the essential materials needed to build and sustain colonies on the Moon, Mars, and beyond. This influx of resources will also reduce the environmental impact of mining on Earth, promoting sustainability. Late 2100s. As the century progresses, the impact of asteroid mining will be profound. The resources extracted will not only support existing colonies, but also enable the construction of advanced propulsion systems and interstellar ships. By the 2180s, humanity will have the capability to venture far beyond our solar system. The riches from asteroids will finance missions to distant stars, making interstellar travel a reality. The technological innovations driven by this wealth will make space travel safer, faster, and more accessible. End of the century. Approaching 2200, asteroid mining will have established a robust infrastructure in space. Human settlements on asteroids will serve as refueling and resupply stations for long-distance missions. These outposts will become bustling hubs of activity, supporting a network of trade routes that span the solar system. The resources and technology developed from asteroid mining will empower humanity to explore the farthest reaches of the galaxy. The galactic community and first contact. Advanced communication technologies. By now, quantum entanglement will enable instant communication across vast distances. This means we could have real-time conversations with people on faraway worlds. AI-driven universal translators will help us understand alien languages, making it easier to cooperate and learn from each other. Early 2200s. By the early 2200s, quantum entanglement will revolutionize communication, allowing instant conversations across vast interstellar distances. Imagine speaking in real time with someone on a distant planet, as easily as calling a friend on Earth. AI-driven universal translators will break down language barriers, enabling us to understand and learn from alien species. Mid-2200s. As communication flourishes, humanity will unite under the banner of the Galactic Federation. Just as the United Nations fosters cooperation on Earth, this interstellar governing body will oversee peace and collaboration among the planets. The Galactic Governance Initiative envisions a unified entity to create laws and norms that ensure harmony and cooperation across different worlds. By the 2250s, we will work on joint projects in space exploration, scientific research, and cultural exchanges, building a network of trust and mutual understanding. Late 2200s. As the century progresses, the profound impact of meeting alien civilizations will reshape our ethical and philosophical frameworks. By the 2270s, we will address the moral implications of our expansion into the cosmos. End of the century. Approaching 2300, the Galactic Federation will thrive, guiding humanity toward a shared future. We will collaborate on projects that were once the stuff of dreams, from interstellar travel to cosmic-scale engineering. Our understanding of the universe will expand, fueled by the knowledge and wisdom of diverse civilizations. Today, it is more important than ever to get involved in STEM research, invest in the latest technologies, and to keep our gaze upwards toward the stars. The future is ours for the taking. Let's make sure humanity lives on to see our full potential.